Hello, thank you for purchasing the Well Designs 3D holographic fan stand. Today we're just going to go over how to assemble the fan stand. So we're going to start with our upper and the lower shafts. This just has a snap fitting on it, and it just simply presses in. Next we're going to take our base, and this is designed to very nicely just thread in. The main thing with this is we want to go and just until it stops. It doesn't need to have, you don't have to wrench on it or anything like that. It doesn't require any torque. You just literally go until it stops, and that is it. You will need to have screws and a nut to attach the bracket that comes with the fan. But other than that, that is our fan stand. Really appreciate your purchase again, and follow us for more.